Okay, I've got the grill laying down with the door hinges up. I've already installed the bottom legs, which were unmarked. The first marked leg for the wheels is labeled LB, and it's going to go in the back. So you need to use 3 screws to put that on, and put it on very loosely. These legs will have to move when you're putting on the wheels. Now the one marked LF for front. Put on the 3 screws very loosely. Now grab the black bar. Put it through one of the wheels. Then slide the rod through the hole on the leg. Then through the next one. Then we're going to put the wheel on. And then take this cotter pin and put it through a hole in the rod. Next, we're going to screw in the plastic feet at the bottom. And then next, we're going to put the thermometer in the door. These are the parts. So with the thermometer on the outside, push the threaded screw in through the door. Then we're going to use this concave washer, which is like a bowl. I want the inside of the bowl facing the thermometer. Then install the wing nut. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.